So this is how you can add links to your Instagram story. This is actually very, very simple. I'm gonna go on ahead and go to Instagram and add a story by tapping on that blue plus button at the top left where my profile is. Now, I'm gonna choose a photo to story, and now we can tap on the sticker right next to the A8 icon, and we can go on ahead and either search or look for the link button. As you can see, it's right here, but if you can't see it, just go on ahead and type link, and it should appear over here. So simply tap on that, and now you can choose a single URL. I'm gonna type youtube.com, there we go, and then tap on done. Once we do, as you can see, there is a youtube.com link in the middle of it. We could even change it. We could put it here, 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 or anywhere you want it. I'm pretty sure you could make it bigger, like so, and you could slant it however you want to. You could even make it upside down if you just totally, oops, I'm sorry, I accidentally touched the photo, but if you go like this, you can make it upside down or whatever you want. And yeah, that's about it. That is how you can add links to your IG story. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.